Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the Angular best practices every developer needs to know. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So why best practices matter? Because of the scalable code base, better team collaboration, easier debugging and the testing, improved performance. Second, use standalone components. Simplifies app structure. Great for the lazy loading. No need to declare ng modules. Perfect for the micro frontends. Organized by feature, not type. Bad. That is components, then services. Good. If you create a folder like register, login, orders, in that we have a components, then in the services, models. So this could be the good practice. Better for the scaling and the readability. Prefer reactive forms, best for the dynamic forms, strong type safety, custom validations, reactive control over UI. Use Angular 16, Angular signals up to 16 plus. Simpler alternative to RxJS, no behavioral subject needed, cleaner change tracking, works great with on push. Use interface and the strict typing, so enable intelligence, prevents runtime errors, works well with API responses. So whenever you have a call with API, so make sure you are going to create a interface and you have to use it rather than you make it any with that variable. Okay, next, move logic to the services, keep components thin, encapsulate logic in services, reuse across components, easier unit testing. Use async pipe instead of the subscriptions. Auto unsubscribes, cleaner templates, reduces memory leaks. So this is the way that you have to do async. Optimize change detection. Use change detection strategy dot on push. Improve performances. Works best with pure functions and immutable data. Use environment files for the config. Environment.ts and production. Store API URLs, keys, flags there. Avoid hard coding sensitive data. Lazy load modules and the secure routes. Load modules only when needed. Use can activate and can load cards. Improves performance and security. Final tips, use Angular CLI for the scaffolding, write unit and the E2E test. Stay updated with Angular releases. Keep an eye on the depreciations. Thank you. Any questions? Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.